Here I have iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the slow motion mode, and now we can record videos in slow-mo. Like, I don't know what to record, so I'm just gonna roll this HardReset.Info logo. So let's get it. Okay, now let's check out how it will look like on our slow-mo video. Okay. Okay, let's make another try. Okay, let's check this out. So as you can see, this logo, it like rushes through the screen slowly, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movies. Just check it out. Like, unbelievable. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.